I'm looking like this when I want to look like this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve glowy summer skin from head to toe. Now we're going to start off with the body. I'm not doing a full-on like shower. I'm just going to wash my body and prep it. One of the products that I've been loving is the Necessaire Exfoliator. Now Necessaire is a brand that you would splurge on, and out of all the products, this is up there and this is the one I would get. Right now I'm using the Eucalpytus one. I love all of their scents. They're very subtle, they're very unisex, and I just love the packaging. So going in with this, kind of just to remove all the dead skin, just to exfoliate the body. If you deal with any kind of body acne, this is really great. I also like to pair it with a body brush just to get like on your back, your lower back, just areas where it's just really hard to clean and exfoliate. So this comes in handy. I just like the size of it. It's not too long of a handle, and I don't know, I just like the circle brush. It's made out of bamboo, so it's a more sustainable option. A little bit red because of the body brush, but that always happens even when you go to spas and they do all of the physical exfoliators. My skin just tends to be very reactive, but that's okay. I'm gonna go now in with the Necessaire body serum. They just reformulated it. It has more hyaluronic acid, and then the packaging is slightly different. It's taller and not as wide, and I think I like it a little bit better. The pump seems a bit easier, so I like putting this all over my body, and it just really hydrates my skin. This is something that I use all year long, especially in the winter, but again, this is a really great product to have. Something that I didn't mention with that exfoliator is that it's a chemical and physical all in one, which is why it has helped with my KP or chicken skin. I feel like a lot of people deal with that, but they don't talk about it, where it's just like tiny little bumps. It could be all over your body. For me, it's just on my arms, but it could be really irritating when you just feel like you have bumpy skin, and even when you take photos and whatnot. Now this won't get rid of it completely, it just helps bring down the texture down, and it's not as bumpy. Just those two products alone make my skin so soft everywhere. I wish you guys could feel my skin. I think it looks smooth through the camera, but who knows. Don't mind the bug bites, don't mind the scars. The mosquitoes love me, and my puppies love me too. So there's that. This is just an extra step just to add more moisture. If you have dry skin, then I would go in with the body lotion. I don't think you need the matching one with Necessaire. You could just use whatever lotion you have at home. I just like how it's fragrance free. Again, offering those options for people that have sensitive skin. If you see my most recent fashion video, how to style crochet clothing, this one was mentioned. I'm obsessed with crochet. If you missed that video, I'll leave it right here. Now, last step for the body. I know there are a bunch of different steps, but I do think they are important. And the last one, if you actually want to see a glow, like you need something to enhance it, I would go in with the Summer Fridays Pool Time Glowing Body Oil. This one gives you a very natural looking body oil. I reviewed this a few weeks ago. If you missed that video, I'll leave it right here. Really great product, and it's just a beautiful glow. See that difference where I like move my body slightly? And you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Body oil, no body oil. See that difference? I think my hair stayed dry besides one little strand, so that's pretty good. I'm just keeping my hair natural. This is like second day natural curls for me. I haven't done a hair video in a while, and I know those videos do really well on my channel, but honestly, I haven't been really inspired. But recently, I've been just wearing my hair more natural. I try to, especially during the summer months where it's like humid. I've changed a few products, and I kind of just wanted to update you guys with my curly girl hair routine. If you missed that video a year ago, I discovered that I have curly hair. It was nuts. Like, I knew I had texture in my hair, but I didn't know how wavy it could get. But if you want to see that video and see like how shocked I was, I'll leave that video right here. Now let's talk about the face. How do I get glowy skin on the face? Whether you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, acne, whatever it may be, dry skin. First, I like to exfoliate my skin, whether it's physical or chemical. In my nighttime skincare routine, I use the Naturium Rice Enzyme. That's what I use today. I'll leave that video right here. Now let's go into warming up the face, adding a little bit of glow. This is the Luz Overnight overnight facial glow. I reviewed this product where I did 3 consecutive days just to see how you can build up that glow. This is a very natural glow. It's not going to make your skin look orangey or anything, and it gives a very subtle glow as well. Subtle bronze, subtle glow. Don't forget the ears. My ears don't really get dark at all because my hair just covers it. And don't forget the neck, going down a little bit more. One thing, after you apply this on your face, on your neck, make sure to wash your hands immediately after. Although you can use that as a moisturizer, I like adding a little bit more. I'm almost done with this one. It's the Peach Slices Citrus Honey Aqua Glow. Very lightweight and perfect if you have normal to oily skin. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit closer so you can really see my skin. As you guys can see, I'm breaking out a little bit around my mouth. I am so stressed. And it's not just your regular everyday stress, it's kind of like a whole other level because of just things going on in my life. The important step is sunscreen. I'm trying to finish this up by the end of summer because I think it's expiring very soon. The Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. I also like their glow screen. I have no idea what I did with that. It somehow got lost in the shuffle with moving. Hopefully I find it because I think I've only used it a handful of times and I don't want it to go to waste. Just to even out my skin, I've been wearing this nonstop. This is the Kosa Skin Tint. I have shade 5.5. I did a full line review of Kosa. That video is where I got reintroduced to this product because it's like I used it last year and then I stopped because I was trying other products and now I'm back into it. This is such a great product just to even your skin, but I just love how lightweight it feels. See how it just evens out my skin? It's so pretty. Now I will have to go in with something else just to cover up these bad boys, which have been so annoying. I want to add a little more glow and I should have done this before I applied the Kosa Skin Tint. Sometimes I like mixing it with the Live Tinted Hue Glow. This is in Dawn and it just again amps up that glow. If you want a little more glow and you want to support a Southeast Asian, get this product. And you don't have to do anything crazy. Just put a little bit on the forehead, the cheekbones, a little on the nose, and that's it. Isn't that so pretty? How the light just hits my face and it still looks really natural. Now to cover the blemishes, this is the Merit Complexion Stick in Sand. I've already reviewed Merit Best and Worst. They're a very new brand and this is something that I didn't think I would like. I don't really like stick foundations. I find them to be really stiff and this one's super creamy. It's actually the perfect shade for me. There's enough yellow undertones and I like how small it is and that you just twist it up and you can just go straight to your hyperpigmentation, your pimple, whatever it may be. Look at that coverage. All of the redness is gone and I haven't even blended it out yet.
Let me know, why you always so tired.
I'm just so obsessed with how the skin looks because it doesn't look cakey, but it also doesn't feel cakey. And this to me is a very realistic makeup routine for the summer. Now, if you have some darkness under your eyes like me, just a little bit, at least for today, I'm gonna go in with the Kosa Revealer Concealer. I have shade 03 Warm. Less is truly more. Warming up the skin, I'm going in with the Fenty Matchstick. This is in Mocha. I really need to try other either contour sticks or anything like this because this is the only one that I have and that is all that I use. And I feel like I need to try out more products that are out there because there must be some other good ones. Maybe even some affordable ones.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world.
Now that I contoured my skin, I want to warm it up even more. I've been loving this. I said by the end of summer, I'd probably be done with this and I'm getting pretty close to it. This is the Tower 28 Beauty Bronzino in Gold Coast. Look at that. That is so pretty. I've been so obsessed with cream products just like everyone else because it's just so easy to blend and it looks so natural and not heavy or cakey. And I am so surprised because when it first came out, I didn't think I would be about this just because of my oily skin. You know, I was so worried that it wouldn't last or just move around. It really has come a long way. And to add a little bit of color to the cheeks, this is the Flower Beauty Liquid Blush. I I honestly don't know what color this is. I'll have it linked down below. The label has come off, so it really doesn't say anything. But it's one of their more subdued colors. And I like this when I don't know what I'm going for as far as like the eyes or what I'm wearing, and I want something pretty neutral. Darker than me, this is most likely not going to show up because I have to build just to show a little bit of color. And honestly, that's all I want. But this would look so beautiful if you are lighter than me. Although this is very glowy and dewy, it's a little too dewy for me because of my oily skin, and I have to set my skin no matter what. If this is something that's going to last all day, I have to set it. Now, if you have drier skin, you can probably just do this and leave it alone, and it'll just look beautiful throughout the day. So I'm going to set my skin, do my eye makeup because that doesn't really go with this video, and we're gonna apply one last product. So much better. I feel more confident when I powder my skin. You just gotta do it, but you still have that beautiful glow that peeks through. And this last product I've talked about before, it is seriously my favorite highlighter. It is by Merit. They have some really amazing products, and I'm so shocked how many products I've been using from them. I think I use 3 almost every single day, and this is one of them. I completely stopped using any kind of powder highlight, and I've been strictly using this. This is the highlighting balm in Kava. They have one other shade that's a bit darker. This on me kind of pulls more of a champagne, but it's also not too pigmented, and it just lays beautifully on the skin. It also does very well with powder, which is a big reason why I love it so much. This is my favorite spot to put it because it looks so gorgeous. It doesn't look cakey, and it just blends so easily with the bronzer, with the blush, with the powder. I'm really obsessed. And recently I actually just looked up to see for that other color, and they are out of stock. That means other people are obsessed with this too. I think they have like a limited stock, which is why they always sell out. I would definitely get notified when this product comes back because I wouldn't be surprised when it does, it's gonna sell out again. And that is how I achieve glowy summer skin from head to toe. I hope you guys found some new products, some products that I can't stop talking about on my channel, and hopefully this was helpful. I love this look. This to me is something that I've been wearing non-stop. All these products I'm obsessed with. I think you guys will enjoy them as well. Everything will be linked down below. Before you leave, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!